Today's the day that we've been waiting for. I just want to say how much I love you and appreciate you for everything you've done for us. I just love you so much, and I can't wait to be your wife.
I just want to say I love you, and this is our day, so we can't let nobody ruin this. We can't wait to see you walking down that aisle. I know you're going to look beautiful. You know I'm not good with speeches, so let's just go from here. We have a lifetime together, so I love you, and let's go. Got Kavin.
Take thee, Lashiqua.
Take thee, Lashiqua.
To be my wedded wife.
Be my wedded wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poor.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
According to God's holy word.
According to God's holy word.
I pledge to you my love.
I pledge to you my love.
I, Shay.
Take thee, Kavin.
To be my wedded husband.
To be my wedded husband.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better or for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer or for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
Till death do us part.
Till death do us part.
According to God's holy word.
According to God's holy word.
I pledge to you my love.
I pledge to you my love.
It is with great joy that I do pronounce that you are husband and wife. You may salute your bride. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Patton.